Hello, we have here another word problem from college algebra. So Mike and Rod left a stable for a ride to a mountain lookout. On the way up, they averaged 3 miles per hour. On the way back along a same trail, they averaged 5 miles per hour. And the return trip took 5/7 less than the outward trip. So how long was the entire horseback ride? So first, let's draw the problem. So on the way up, so okay, so A and B, okay, so on the way up, the velocity, it stays here, is velocity up is equal to 3 miles per hour, okay, and velocity down is 5 miles per hour. Okay. So on the return trip took 5/7 less than the outward trip. So which means the time to go down is T up minus 5/7. Okay. So we're using the principle here. Velocity is equal to distance over time. And therefore, distance is equal to velocity times time. Okay. So now the solution is distance up is equal to distance down. So if distance up is equal to distance down. Okay. So from the formula here, Vt, therefore velocity up times time of up, okay, equals velocity down times time of down. Okay, so this is the first major equation here. Why? Because the distance here, the distance you travel here is the same as the distance you travel down. Okay, so from this formula, distance is equal to velocity time, we derive this equation. Okay, so distance is velocity times time. So velocity up times time up plus velocity down times time down. Okay, so let's replace this with the quantity. So the quantity is 3 miles. So velocity up is 3 times time up. Okay, equals velocity down is 5. Okay, so times time down. Okay, okay. So from here, this equation, 3 time up is equal to, just substitute here the time down here. So time down is T up minus 5 over 7. So 5 times T up minus 5/7. Okay. So therefore, the time up is 3 time up. We already have one variable, the time up, equals 5 time up, 5 times 5 minus 25/7. Okay, so we move this to the left, to the this one to the left side of the equation, so that will become 25 over 7 is equal to 5 minus 3 time up. Okay, therefore time up is equal to 25 over 7. Okay, and this one will become 2, so we put here 2 times 2. Okay, so time up is equal to 25 over 14. Okay, so when we divide 25 over 14, that will become, okay, so let's divide first 25 over 14. So 25 divided by 14, so the time is 1.78571429 hours. So that's the time they took to go up. Okay, so since distance up is equal to distance down, so the time, so distance is equal to the velocity up 3 times the time up, so 1.78571429 hours. So the distance will be, so times 3. Okay, so the distance is 5.3571 miles. Okay, so the entire horseback ride is just times 2, since distance up is equal to distance down, so therefore 5.3571 times 2. Okay, so that's the entire horseback ride, so times 2, so 10.714 miles. Okay, thank you.